Okay, part B, calculate an estimate for the area bounded by the curve, the time axis and the line t equals 30. Use the trapezium rule for ordinates at 0, 10, 20 and 30. So here we need to work out the area, okay, and ordinates at 0, 10, 20 and 30. Okay, now these will form trapeziums if you draw a straight line at the top. So instead of the curve, you go a straight line. And we think of these as trapeziums. Obviously that's a triangle, but we can still use the trapezium formula for that as well. Now separate them up, so I'm going to work out area of number 1. Okay. So the trapezium formula is half a plus b times h. So your a and b are your parallel sides. So your a in this case is 0. Your b is that there, which turns out to be 17, I think. Yeah. And the times by the h then, which is the gap between them. Okay, so work that out. That comes to be 85. Area 2. Okay, again half a plus b h. So that's 17. And your b there is 23. Times by the height between them, which is 10. Which is comes to 200 then. Okay. And then area 3. Your A is obviously 23 and your B is that value there, which is 25. Okay, so add them together, 240. So to get the total area then you add up all these trapeziums. Okay, you can use your calculator and you get 525. Okay, now part C, it says calculate an estimate of the average speed of the car for the entire 60-second journey. And remember, for average speed you need the total distance divided by the total time. Now to get the total distance for the entire 60-second journey, you just need the area under the whole curve, okay, because the area gives you the total distance. And we've already worked out the area of this section here, okay. You just need to work out the area of the remaining parts. But that's really easy, because if you notice here, we just have a rectangle here. It's a straightforward rectangle, so 10 there, and the height is 25. So the area of this will be 250. And here you've got a triangle. Okay, so it's obviously it's base times height and then halve it. So base is 20, height is 25. Okay, so times them together, you get 500, and then halve it, 225. Also 250, sorry. Okay. So then you just need to add these two, okay, to the distance you got in part B. That'll give you then the total distance. Okay, so 500 those two come to, divided by the total time, which is 60. So you get 1025 divided by 60. Okay, so my calculator, that comes to 17. Okay, 0.1. I'll round it to 1 decimal place, and that will be meters per second.